I have mark present. Now 2C, which part we have done? Third part we have done, or second part? Yes. Okay, third part. Yes, tell me how much we have done. We have done up to second, no? What you have written? Huh? Precision rule number 8, no? F division. Yeah, mark you present because you have joined with the login. Yes. Join. Now third, evaluate first part. Yes, 7 is present. Yeah. Minus 2 by 5. Do not confirm. Whatever roll number you have joined, I have marked you present. And if we are writing attendance, 7th roll number 19. Chalo. 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Yes. So evaluate this. So now we have to add 3 rational numbers. Okay. So this I will write minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5, and whenever two signs are together you have to multiply the sign, as I told you, plus into minus, minus, so minus 1 by 5. Now the denominators are same. Here denominators are same. So whenever denominators are same, you can simplify numerator. So that will be minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 whole divided by 5. We take the denominator 5 common. Now we'll see whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Minus 2 and 3, they have opposite sign. So you have to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Which number is bigger? 3. What is sign of that? Plus. So we write plus 1. Then 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 upon 5. These two we simplify first. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 upon 5. So whenever numerator is 0, the whole rational number becomes 0. Whenever numerator is 0, the whole rational number becomes 0. So the answer is 0. Okay. Then second, so you can add how many rational numbers you want to add. Working method will remain same. Now minus 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus minus 2 by 9 plus minus 2 upon 9. This will be homework. Then third part. Minus 7 by 6 plus 4 by minus 15 plus minus 4 by minus 30 Let me solve this. Tell. Second is homework, third one I will solve. So this will be minus 7 by 6, and whenever two signs are together you have to multiply. So plus and minus. What is plus into minus? Minus. So minus 4 upon 15. Then minus sign get cancelled. What is left? Plus 4 upon 30. Minus sign get cancelled. Minus get cancelled. So now denominator is not same. Here denominators are different. So whenever denominators are different, what you will do? Yes. So we take LCM of denominator. LCM of 6, 15 and 30 is 30. Yes, very good. LCM of 6, 15 and 30 is 30. So I have to make denominator of each 30. So this is 6. I have to multiply by 5. So minus 7 into 5 upon 6 into 5 minus, this is 15. You have to make it 30. So multiply by 2. Minus 4 into 2 upon 15 into 2 plus 4 upon 30. It is already 30. So no need. Multiply by 1. No problem. Upon 30 into 1. So let us simplify. So this will be minus 35 upon 30, minus 35 upon 30, minus 8 upon 30, plus 4 upon 30. Now the denominators are equal. Now the denominators are equal. Okay. Now the denominators are equal. So when the denominators are equal, we can simplify numerator. Now the denominators are equal. So you can simplify numerator. The denominators are equal. We can simplify numerator. We can simplify numerator because the denominators are equal. So this will be minus 35 minus 8 plus 4 whole divided by 30. We take denominator 30 common. Now let us see whether they have same. Yes. Yes. LCM of 6, 15 and 30 is 30. So now let us see whether they have same sign or opposite sign. 35 minus sign, 8 minus sign. So minus minus sign. So whenever they have same sign, we add the number and take the common sign. So 35 plus 8 is 43. Common sign minus minus common sign is minus. Minus 43. Plus 4 upon 30. Now check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. 43 is having minus sign. 4 is having plus sign. Opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 43 minus 4 is 39. Now which number is bigger? 43. What is sign of that? Minus. So minus 39. Minus 39 upon 30. But see whether this minus 39 upon 30 is in the lowest term. Lowest means anything is common in numerator and denominator, that you have to cancel. So 39 39 I can write 13 3s are 39 and 30 I can write down 10 3s are 30. Then 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. So answer is minus 13 upon 10. Minus 13 upon 10 is the answer. The answer is minus 13 upon. Your final answer should be in the lowest term. Lowest term means there should not be anything common in numerator and denominator. If there is anything common, you have to cancel that. Then minus 2, fourth one, minus 2. So whenever denominators are not equal, we have to make denominators equal by taking LCM of the denominator. So you can add as many as rational number, but the method remains same. You have to make denominators equal. Now fifth one is minus 2 plus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 upon 15 plus minus 2 upon 15. Yes. Yes, Mali, what is your roll number? Mali, tell me. Yes, my dear Mali, what is your roll number? No, it is clear. Yes, Mali, what is your roll number? Tell me, otherwise you will be marked absent mind. Yes. 13. Ashok Mali is there. My dear, you are joining with some other number, nothing can be cancelled. Minus 2 plus 13 is present. Minus 2 plus 2 by 5. So this is a rational number. Can you convert minus 2 in the rational number form? Yes, I can write minus 2 as minus 2 upon 1 plus 2 by 5 plus whenever two signs are together you have to multiply. So plus into minus minus. Minus 2 upon 15. Now the denominators are not same. So I will take LCM of 1, 5 and 15. LCM of 1, 5, 15 is 15. LCM of 1, 5, 15 is 15. So let us make denominator 15. So this is 1. Multiply and divide by 15. So minus 2 into 15 upon 1 into 15 plus this is 5. Multiply and divide by 3. So 2 3s are 6 upon 5 3s are 15. This is already 15. So no need to multiply. Multiply by 1 upon 15 into 1. So this is minus 2. Multiplication of minus and plus is minus. So minus 2 into 15 will be minus 30. Minus 30 upon 15. Plus 6 upon 15. Give the microphone. Minus 2 upon 15. Now the denominators are equal. 15, 15, 15. Yes? Which one? Third one I had given homework, no? Third one is homework. So now I can take denominator common, that is 15. Let us simplify numerator. Minus 30 plus 6 minus 2. So now you simplify this. Minus 30 and plus 6, opposite sign. So you have to subtract. 30 minus 6 is 24. Minus 24, then minus 2 upon 15. Minus 24 and minus 2. My dear, not 22. How you can say 22? Whether they have same sign or opposite sign? Not plus 22, my dear. How plus 22? Yes, it is minus 24. My dear, minus minus is plus, means minus minus is not plus. Minus minus, you have to add the number, take the common sign. Minus minus will be plus in multiplication. Is there is any multiplication sign between them? No. So minus minus means whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. So 24 plus 2, 24 plus 2, 26. Then minus minus common sign, minus 26 upon 15. Minus 26 upon, yes? No, it is clear. No, my dear, it is clear from our end. Yes. My dear, it is clear from our end. It is, you see, clear. You see the adjustment of your phone? Yes. Let us tell him to send the request. No, minus 11 upon 12. Minus 11 upon 12 plus 5 upon 16. 5 upon 16 plus minus 3 upon 8. Minus 3 upon 8. Okay. So let us solve this. Minus 11 upon 12 plus 5 upon 16. Whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply the sign. Plus into minus minus. 3 upon 8. Now the denominators are not equal. 12, 16 and 8. So we find LCM of denominator, LCM of 12, 16 and 8 is, yes, what is the LCM? Is 48. Are you getting? LCM of 12, 16 and 8 is 48. You can find LCM. See here. 12 you can write 4 3s are 12. 16 you can write 4 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. And 48, sorry, 8 you can write 4 2s are 8. 4 4 is common. Okay, so 4. Then 1 4 is also common. This 4 I can write 2 into 2. This 4 I can write 2 into 2. Then 2 is there once. Then 3 and 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are 48. So LCM is 48. So now make denominators equal. Yes. Complete your sentence. No. What? Yes. 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 Any method you can use to find LCM. Okay. Any method you can use. So LCM is 48. So let us make denominator of each one of them 48. So it is 12. So you will multiply by 4. Yes. Yes. We have to make the denominators equal, no? So I will take LCM of 12, 16 and 8, that is 48. So multiply 12 by 4, then it is 16. So multiply 16 by 3, 5 into 3 upon 16 into 3, minus 3 into 6 upon 8 into 6, 8 6 are 48. So this is minus 44 upon 48, plus 15 upon 48, minus 18 upon 48. Now the denominators are equal, so I can simplify the numerator, take denominator common 48. So minus 44, plus 15, minus 18. Let us check. Let us simplify first these two. So this is having minus sign, this is having plus sign. Minus and plus opposite sign. So you have to subtract. 44 minus 15 is 29. Minus 29, because 44 is bigger number, sign of that is minus. So minus 29 minus 18 upon 48. Now again check whether they have same sign or opposite sign. Same sign. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the numbers. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. So minus 29 minus 18, I will take the common sign minus and add the number. 9 plus 8, 17. Minus 47 upon 48. Answer is minus 47 upon 48. This is the answer. Minus 47 upon minus 48. This is the answer. Okay. So whenever denominators are not same, you have to make denominators equal by taking LCM of the denominators. By taking LCM of the denominators, we make denominators equal. So we have completed third part. Now fourth is same. Fourth part is same as third part. So fourth part I am going to give homework. So let me write all the questions, then we will see. Yes, my dear, what is there? Fourth part is same as third part. Fourth part. Whichever you find difficult, you can tell. Whichever you find difficult, you can tell me, no problem. But let me write all the questions. Evaluate first. Minus 11 by 18. Minus 11 by 18. Plus minus 3 by 9. Plus minus 3 by 9. Plus 2 upon minus 3. 2 upon minus 3. Let me write all the questions, then we'll see. Second, minus 9 by 4 plus 13 by 3. 13 by 3. 13 by 3 plus 25 by 6. Plus 25 by 6. Plus 25 by 6. Then, third question, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 upon minus 8, 5 upon minus 8 plus minus 5 upon minus 12, minus 5 upon minus 12. Then fourth, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 2. Then fifth one, 5 plus minus 3 by 4, 5 plus minus 3 by 4 plus minus 5 by 8 plus minus 5 by 8. Okay, so this type of problem we have done, all are we have covered there. So let me give this homework, 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 homework and homework, because third is same as fourth. Third is same as fourth one. Yes? Yes, all of you agree? Let us give this as homework. Yes, because see, how many problem I will solve, that will not work. You have to solve the problem. Ultimately, you have to appear the examination. I do not have to appear the examination. So, same as third one, right? Okay, it is same as third. Now fifth is subtract. Fifth is subtract. Subtract means you have to take minus sign. Subtract means minus sign, difference. 2 by 9 from 5 by 9. So subtract 2 by 9 from 5 by 9. So this you remember, my dear. From 5 by 9, we have to subtract 2 by 9. Okay? From 5 by 9, we have to subtract 2 by 9. So whichever number is, wait no, my dear. Whichever number is after from, that I will write first. Whichever number is after from, that I will write first. So 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. So subtract means minus sign. From 5 by 9, so first I will write down 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. You will not write 2 by 9 minus 5 by 9. No. Whichever number is after from, that I will write first. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Let us simplify. Denominators are equal. So I can simplify numerator, that is 5 minus 2. Plus sign and minus sign. Opposite sign you have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 9. Now 3 I can write 3 into 1. 9 I can write 3 3s are 9. Then cancel 3 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. So 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9 is 1 by 3. So what you have to remember, whichever number is after from, that I should write first. That should be written first. 5 by 9 should be written first. Okay? So from 5 by 9, we have to subtract 2 by 9. So first I will write down 5 by 9, not 2 by 9. This you remember. Now I am telling you, from 5 by 9, so from 5 by 9, so 5 by 9 I will write first. From 5 by 9, I have to subtract. Subtract means minus sign. Which number? 2 by 9. So in exam in hurried, you write 2 by 9 minus 5 by 9, where answer will become wrong. So whichever number is after from, that we write first. So from 5 by 9, we have to subtract 2 by 9. Okay? From 5 by 9, we have to subtract 2 by 9. From 5 by 9, we have to subtract 2 by 9. Then next is subtract upon 3. No, upon 3 into 3, my dear. What you can write 9? 9 you can write 3 into 3, no? Okay. So subtract. Next is subtract. Subtract minus 6 by 11. Minus 6 by 11 from minus 6 by 11 from minus 3 upon minus 11. So minus 3 upon minus 11, you have to subtract. So from this number, so this I will write first. Minus 3 upon minus 11. From this number, we have to subtract. Subtract means minus sign. Which number? Minus 6 upon 11. Minus 6 upon 11, we have to subtract. Okay? So let us see. Minus sign, minus sign get cancelled. Then these two minus sign I will multiply. Minus into minus plus. So this becomes 3 upon 11. Yes, mute the microphone. 3 upon 11. Minus into minus plus. 6 upon 11. Now the denominator is same, 11. So I can simplify numerator, 3 plus 6. That is 9 upon 11. So answer is 9 upon 11. 9 upon 11 is the answer. Mute the microphone. Somebody's microphone is on. No, my dear, it is very much clear. So whenever it is problem, you rejoin. No problem. Mute the microphone. Somebody's microphone is on. Yes. Now next is minus 2 by 5. Subtract minus 2 by 5. Subtract minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 15. From minus 8 by 15. Subtract minus 2 by 15 from minus 8 by 15. Yes, how will solve this? So from minus 8 by 15, I will write first. Then it is subtract. Subtract means minus sign. Which number? Minus 2 by 15. So let us write minus 8 by 15. Now whenever minus sign, two signs are together, minus sign are together, minus into minus will be plus. So plus 2 upon 15. Now the denominators are equal. Mute the microphone. Who is there not muting the microphone? Yes? Mute the microphone, otherwise I have to remove. That is the only option. Now denominators are equal. So I will simplify the numerator. So that is minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2. Now whether they have same sign or opposite sign? Opposite sign. We will subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. But which number is bigger? 8. So minus 6 upon 15. But this is not in the lowest form. Yes. Your rational number should be in the lowest term. Your rational number should be in the lowest term. Okay? Your rational number should be in the lowest term. So minus 6 upon 15 we can cancel. So 6 I can write. 3 2s are 6. 15 I can write. 3 5s are 15. Now 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. Answer is minus 2 upon 5. Answer is minus 2 upon 5. Okay? Answer is minus 2 upon 5. Then fourth one, subtract 11 upon 18, subtract 11 upon 18 from minus 5 upon 18, minus 5 upon 18. Okay, so let me give this as homework, fourth one. And fifth one, subtract minus 4 upon 11, subtract minus 4 upon 11, subtract minus 4 upon 11 from minus 2, Let me solve this. Subtract 4 upon 11 from minus 2. Yes, how you will write this? Tell me. Yes, minus 2 you will write minus 2 upon 2. So this is same as minus 2 minus 4 upon 11. Subtract, because of this subtract there is minus sign. So minus 2 I can write minus 2 upon 1. Then whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply minus into minus plus 4 upon 11. Now the denominators are not equal, so you will take LCM of denominator. LCM of 1 and 11 is 11. And make denominator equal. So minus 2 into 11 upon 1 into 11 plus 4 into 1 upon 11 into 1. So this is minus 22 upon 11 plus 4 upon 11. Now denominators are equal, so I will take 11 minus 22 plus 4. Now whether they have same sign or opposite sign? Yes, minus 22 and plus 4, opposite sign. Subtract. 22 minus 4 is 18. Minus 18 upon 11. Minus 18 upon 11 is the answer. Minus 18 upon 11 is the answer. So subtract means minus. Add means plus. Same sign, add the number, take the common sign. Opposite signs, subtract the number, smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. Okay. Now sixth question is same as fifth one. Sixth question is same as fifth one. So subtract. So this 6 will be homework. Okay. So let me write all the problem. Sixth question is same as fifth one. Subtract minus 3 upon 10. Subtract minus 3 upon 10 from 1 upon 5. From 1 upon 5. Then minus 6 upon, subtract minus 6 upon 25. Minus 6 upon 25 from, subtract means minus sign, from minus 8 upon 5. Then third, minus 2 upon 15. Minus 2 upon 15. You have to subtract minus 2 upon 15 from minus 8 upon 15. Okay. Then fourth, subtract 11 upon, 1 minute. Wait. Third question is different. Third question is minus 7 upon 4. Subtract minus 7 upon 4 from minus 2. Okay. Then fourth one, minus 16 upon 21. Minus 16 upon 21. Subtract minus 16 upon 21 from 1. From 1. Then subtract fifth one, minus 8 upon 15. Minus 8 upon 15 from 0. From 0. Then subtract 0 from minus 3 by 8. Subtract 0 from minus 3 by 8. Subtract 0 from, see whichever number is written from, after from, that number should be written first. Whichever number is written after from, that number should be written first. Then sixth one, 0, subtract 0 from minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8. Then seventh one, subtract minus 2 from 3 by 10. From minus 3 by 10. From minus 3 by 10, subtract minus 2. Then eighth one, 5 by 8, subtract 5 by 8 from minus 5 by 16. Then ninth, subtract 4 from minus 3 by 13. Subtract from minus 3 by 13. So all are homework. Okay, all are homework, because whichever number is written from, that you should write first. And subtract means minus sign. Subtract means minus sign. And remember, whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply the sign. Whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply the sign. Multiplication of plus minus minus, minus minus plus, that's all. So these are homework. You solve it and send me on the WhatsApp. I will check the homework. So it is 9:42. We stop here. Today I am going to the school after second period. Yes, all of you must solve this.